I'm back. No, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. It's just iced tea. I think you already have read the title, so you know what's gonna happen. So I don't have to explain too much. So let's just start it. I have a lot of used clothes and some old clothes that I kind of don't like them, and I want to alter them. So I thought today I'll just do it in front of you guys, and it's not like a tutorial because I'm doing it for the first time. So it's like it might turn out well or not. So don't trust me. You can watch the video and then you know. Okay.
No, I don't.
So the thing about this is it's special. Okay, it's like I love altering clothes. I usually like when you go to a store, you find something near to what you want, but not exactly what you want, and that sucks. But the thing is that you can like personalize it, like customize it the way you want it by altering it, and that's a cool thing. Because
How
it becomes
cool.
more personalized to you. You feel good. You can do it the way you want to, and it's more like better. Like the designer ones that are there, the designer ones that are there are always not good for you. Like you don't find the perfect one, right? So the first one that I have is this pink shirt. Okay, it's pretty huge, it's this huge. And this might be good or not, so don't follow me because I'm doing it for the first time and I won't give you 100% that it will be correct or good. So first we'll take I kind of want to make this shirt is really huge. I kind of want to make it like the half of the size that it is. So yeah. I'm not talking much because I kind of am concentrating on this. I might be generous enough to do a try on haul, so we'll see what's gonna happen. And then I got these jeans. I don't know if you can see it properly. I got these jeans like a few months ago. I've never worn it honestly, but the thing is the waistline is correct to me, but it's kind of loose near the legs and stuff like that. I usually don't wear those kind of pants because it doesn't look good on me. So I thought I'll just make it look better because and the other thing is that I thought for this pant I'd give it like knee rips kind of because usually I find pants that I like. The pants are good, the material is good, it fits well, but the rips are not right. Sometimes I love the rips that they have, but the pant isn't good. So most of the times they don't satisfy me the way I want it to. So I thought let me do it myself because it would be better, and I'd like it obviously because I didn't know what I would have to like it. So I am kind of not sure about this. I might mess it up, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's just take it. Yellow. Okay. So I'm not even measuring anything. I don't know why. Okay. You're supposed to measure everything properly and do these, but since I'm a bit careless, I'll just do it just like that.
A true savage.
If these pants don't come out well, if the rips don't come out well, I might turn into some shorts because I already had a pant which was like kind of old but was not proper fitting for me, so I kind of turned them into shorts. I'm sure this are there. I kind of figured out how to do it. Okay. think the rips are like way too high, but anything is fashion nowadays. So the thing is that I couldn't cut it just like that directly, so I kind of made a small hole, and from there I started cutting. So that's the way you do it. Make sure you don't cut the other part of the jeans. And we're done. This is the last clothing, and then I have shoes, and I have a pretty good idea for shoes. This one, the shirt is too long, and at the end there's like some threads and stuff, and I don't like the threads that much, so I thought I'll cut that off. I thought like this
Oh,
part
hell
is like
yeah,
this.
that's a
Basically, I don't know if you can
freaking
see here, it's kind of thick. So this part there's a thread line kind of a thing. So I thought I'll cut below that, and you can wear like a tank top inside and wear this on top of it. It look kind of cool. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is the last one. So, this was the first thing I ordered online. Don't laugh at me. It kind of sucks. The way I saw it online was way too expensive. Okay, when I saw it online, they were black. These weird ass designs weren't there. And there's something gold on top. I hate gold. I didn't see any of these and I just purchased it randomly from some random website. It was my bad, so it's okay. I'm gonna work it out. So for this, I thought I'll cut off the top because I don't like it. And I have extra laces over here, so I'm gonna add that and do something else. Wait for the ending.
Ooh, waiting for that
I don't
moment.
know if I'll be able to cut it through because the shoes are obviously thick. I don't even know how I got this. This was literally my first online order I did like a year or 2 years ago, but I never wore this shoe. Like I wore it just once or something, and I regretted wearing it even once. I forgot how to put this.
How brainy!
I'm doing it. These already look pretty cool. It looks really good. But then we need to spice it up because this channel is about something very extra. Like this channel is about everything extra, okay? We need everything extra. Everything is supposed to be greater than something because basic is for losers and we're not losers, we're winners over here. So it's very cool, you can try it on too. These shoes actually look pretty sick. This orange color laces have like stepless came up, but it's a bit too basic. Like, who wants these gold stuff? Who wears it? And what is it written on top of it? I love Bolai. Doesn't make sense. But I'm here to help you guys out. So, take some tape. Find your scissors. Stick it on it. I'll tell you why. Take some more tape. You could use fabric glue if you have, but since I already told you, cheap productions, we do cheap stuff here. So, the things that we have at home, we're trying to do with those. Okay? So, the thing is, I don't know if you're the real OGs, but Louis Vuitton is pretty cheap. It's too cheap. And that is not good for my standards. Usually when I buy shoes, it has to cost at least like $50,000 or something.
Are you on
and Louis
crack?
Vuitton is kind of very cheap, okay? And so I kind of want to customize these shoes the way I wanted it to and make it much more cooler than Louis Vuitton because Louis Vuitton is so freaking basic. So they look so sick. Okay, so sick. I'll tell you what. So the thing is, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga and all, they're all so boring. They are not boring, but they're too cheap for me. As a rich girl, I like things too costly. If it's not costly, I don't buy it because it's not up to my standards. So I went and I spoke to Louis Vuitton. How is he? I couldn't speak to Gucci because he's in jail or something. Apparently, he had marijuana and stuff like that. Boy, what's wrong with you? So, and he gave me a few shoes just for free because we're like partners and stuff like that. Like we know each other. Oh, okay, not trying to brag and stuff, but okay. And I don't like any of his clothing, so I thought let me just tear a few bits and pieces of his clothing and use it for my shoes because my shoes are way more better than his. And if I sell this, I might sell it for, I don't know, probably $1 million. We don't know. It costs a lot. People might buy it. I might put it on Depot. So I customized it, and this is not new. And if you guys follow the Dolan twins, Ethan and Grayson, they painted themselves with Louis Vuitton's jackets and shirt. But the thing is, the Dolan twins are pretty poor and stuff. They couldn't afford it, and that's why they did. Aww. I can afford it. I can afford the whole store of Louis Vuitton, and that's why just buying one shoe wouldn't make sense. It'll be like, just one shoe. So, whew. If you do this, go and walk in front of the girls you like. They're gonna trip and fall for you. Right now, Louis Vuitton is quaking. Everyone's shivering. Everyone's like, whoa, whoa. So if you wear this, you're just stepping your game up from here to there. You can't even see it. Somewhere else. So this is my thing. Let's customize stuff. Okay, so this is my shoes. So I'm cool, Louis Vuitton. It costs a lot, big bucks. We have money. We have money. I don't want to brag that I have a lot of money, but sometimes when you work hard, you get some money. You gotta show up because what are you working hard for, right? Now it's time for you guys to see what I've done. So, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything that you want to. It's your wish. You can comment down anything you want because it's your comment section. I mean, it's my channel, but you can do whatever you want. So, okay. And if you have any suggestions or stuff like that, you can give that.
Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down.